Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Total Health Turnaround, where we do the research on all things health, wellness, and nutrition and deliver it to you right here. Let's dive right in. Today, we are diving into a topic that's perfect for beginners or anyone looking to ease into a healthier lifestyle: low-impact exercise. Before we jump into the exercises, let's talk about why it's crucial to start slow. If you're not exercising right now, it's essential to give your body time to adjust. Research shows that gradual progression in exercise reduces the risk of injury and sets the stage for long-term success. Starting slow is like laying a foundation for a skyscraper. It's about allowing your body to adapt to a new routine. The initial phase is where you build the habit and establish a positive relationship with exercise. It's not about pushing yourself to the limit right from the start. It's about building a sustainable routine. Begin with simple activities like walking or swimming. These low-impact exercises are easy on your joints and muscles. Set achievable goals like walking for 15 minutes a day initially and gradually increase the duration. Walking, swimming, or even gentle yoga are fantastic starting points. The beauty of these activities is that they're low impact, meaning they're easy on your joints. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a healthy exercise routine. Small, achievable goals is the key. You can start with a 15-minute walk each day. As you get comfortable, gradually extend the time to 20, 30, or even 60 minutes. Creating a schedule is key. Allocate specific times for your workouts, just like you would do any other commitment. Research suggests that having a consistent workout schedule increases adherence and makes exercise a habit. A schedule provides structure and consistency. Think of it as making an appointment with yourself for better health. Treat your workout time with the same importance as any other commitment in your life. Research in behavioral science has consistently shown that when you allocate specific times for exercise, you're more likely to stick with it. It becomes part of your routine, like brushing your teeth or having breakfast. As you get comfortable, it's time to increase intensity. Consider adding resistant bands or light weights. Studies have shown that gradual intensity increases lead to improved fitness levels without overexertion. Now, as you continue your journey, it's natural to want to challenge yourself. That's where the fun begins. Gradually, you can introduce elements like resistance bands or light weights into your routine. These additions can help you build strength and endurance. The research is on your side here. Studies confirm that gradually increasing intensity is the way to go. It not only enhances your fitness levels, but also minimizes the risk of injury, making it a win-win. Staying motivated can be challenging, but remember why you started. Surround yourself with a supportive community. Research indicates that social support is a significant factor in maintaining exercise routines. Staying motivated on this journey is absolutely within your reach. One of the best ways is to remind yourself why you started in the first place. Whether it's to boost your energy, manage stress, or improve your overall well-being, your why is your guiding star to keep you moving in the right direction. Maintaining motivation is like fueling your journey. It's essential to remember your why, whether it's to boost your energy, manage stress, or simply feel better. Additionally, don't underestimate the power of a supportive community. Sharing your goals with friends or joining online fitness groups can provide the encouragement and accountability you need. Studies consistently show that social support is a game changer when it comes to sticking with your exercise routine. It's like having a cheering squad by your side. Starting slow, scheduling your workouts, and gradually increasing intensity is the recipe for success. Now, an absolutely fun bonus section: 10 reasons why you should exercise. Exercise releases endorphins, those feel-good hormones that can instantly lift your spirits. It's like a natural mood booster that can turn a bad day into a better one. Contrary to what you might think, exercise boosts your energy. Regular physical activity improves your cardiovascular health, making you feel more energized throughout the day. A good night's sleep is crucial for overall well-being. Exercise helps regulate your sleep patterns, leading to a better and more restful sleep. Exercise isn't just good for your body, it's great for your brain too. It improves cognitive function, enhances focus, and sharpens your mental clarity. Life can get stressful, but exercise is a fantastic stress buster. It reduces cortisol levels, the stress hormone, and helps you stay calm and collected. Cardiovascular exercise like brisk walking or cycling strengthens your heart muscles and lowers the risk of heart disease. If you're looking to shed some extra pounds or maintain a healthy weight, exercise is your ally. It burns calories and boosts your metabolism. Whether you're aiming for toned muscles or just want to carry groceries more comfortably, exercise builds muscle strength and endurance. Regular exercise supports a robust immune system, making you less susceptible to illnesses. Studies consistently show that people who exercise regularly tend to live longer and enjoy a better quality of life in their later years. And there you have it, folks. Adding exercise to your life isn't just about physical fitness. It's about enhancing your overall well-being both mentally and physically. A decision that can positively impact every aspect of your life. Start today, and you'll be amazed at the positive changes it brings. Remember, it's all about building a healthier, happier you, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Please do share your exercise journey with us in the comments below, and let's inspire each other on the path to a total health turnaround. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I really do appreciate your kind support. Please leave a comment below and let us know what kind of videos you'd like to see in the future. Until next time, I will see you in the next video.